AI technology once belonged only to secret military labs. Today, you can buy devices powered by advanced neural networks, target tracking systems, and predictive AI from the comfort of your home. Here are 10 military-inspired AI gadgets that are completely legal to own, but feel almost too powerful to be real. Number 9. SKYDIO X10. First up, let's talk about a drone that doesn't need you to fly it. Meet the SKYDIO X10. Regular consumer drones rely on a human pilot staring at a screen, panicking every time a tree branch gets too close. The X10 completely throws that out the window. Backed by an onboard NVIDIA Jetson Orin GPU, the kind of hyper-powered AI brain usually reserved for advanced robotics, this thing builds a real-time 3D map of its surroundings using 6 custom navigation lenses. It handles obstacle avoidance using deep learning models, meaning you can tell it to sprint through a dense, tangled forest at 45 miles per hour, and it will dodge every single branch, wire, and obstacle entirely on its own. Number 8. Smart Shooter Smash X4. If you've ever played a first-person shooter game, you know how broken AIMBOT is. Well, the engineering team at Smart Shooter decided to build it in real life. This is the Smash X4, an advanced fire control system that clamps directly onto a standard rifle rail. It completely redesigns how targeting works by using advanced computer vision and real-time image processing. Instead of just looking through a piece of glass, the system automatically detects, highlights, and locks a digital box onto your target. Number 7. FLIR Black Hornet 4. Let's shift gears to something so small it looks like a toy, but packs enough surveillance power to make an agency jealous. This is the Black Hornet 4 by Teledyne FLIR. Weighing a mere 70 grams, this is a literal nano UAV designed to be launched directly from a soldier's utility belt. Don't let the tiny size fool you. This pocket-sized ghost is packed with low-light electro-optical sensors and high-resolution thermal imaging. The real magic happens inside its flight control matrix. It uses custom AI algorithms to fly completely autonomously inside GPS-denied environments. It sends back encrypted data streams from over 3 kilometers away, completely invisible to the naked eye and completely silent from just a few feet away. Having a military reconnaissance asset of this scale sitting in your backpack feels absolutely surreal. Number 6. Smash Hopper. Take the aimbot technology we just discussed, mount it on a heavy-duty motorized tactical tripod, and you get the Smash Hopper. This is a lightweight, remote-controlled weapon station that introduces full automation to perimeter defense. The system uses advanced target acquisition algorithms to constantly scan an area for threats. It distinguishes between human targets, vehicles, and aerial drones entirely on its own. Once it flags a target, an operator sitting miles away with a secure tablet can safely review the video feed and authorize the engagement. The built-in fire control computer then tracks the target dynamically, ensuring a one-shot, one-hit drop. It is a terrifyingly precise mechanical perimeter guard that brings automated military-grade asset protection straight into a portable, rapidly deployable platform. Number 5. Digital Horizon Echo 4. In modern combat zones, knowing where a shot came from within a fraction of a second saves lives. Acoustic sniper detection systems used to be massive arrays bolted onto armored vehicles. Now, gadgets like the Echo 4 pack that exact capability into a device smaller than a lunchbox. The gadget utilizes a precision multi-microphone array combined with an onboard audio processing chip. When a supersonic round is fired, the AI instantly measures the microscopic time differences between the sound waves hitting each microphone. It ignores echoes, background city noise, and wind, calculating the exact GPS coordinates and elevation of the shooter within milliseconds. It then pushes that data instantly to a tactical map on your phone or smartwatch. It completely strips away the advantage of a hidden position, turning an ambush into an immediate counterattack. Number 4. Ghost Robotics Vision 60. We can't talk about military-adjacent AI hardware without talking about the rise of autonomous quadrupeds. The Ghost Robotics Vision 60 is a mid-sized, high-endurance ground drone built to handle environments that would destroy regular wheeled or tracked robots. Unlike basic consumer robot pets, the Vision 60 uses blind locomotion algorithms. This means it doesn't just rely on cameras that can get blocked by mud, dust, or blinding rain. Its AI constantly calculates the pressure, resistance, and slip of its joints thousands of times per second. If it slips on ice or falls down a rocky slope, its core brain instantly adjusts its footing to keep it moving forward. Number 3. The AIMLOCK HIGHLINE. Moving quickly through a chaotic field, or trying to fire accurately from a moving vehicle, holding a heavy rifle steady is physically exhausting. That is why engineers built the AIMLOCK HIGHLINE. This is a motorized, robotic exoskeleton chassis that completely encases a standard medium-range rifle. It takes the concept of a high-tech camera gimbal and scales it up for active kinetic combat. Powered by an internal core computing module, the HIGHLINE features integrated day/night sensors and high-speed active stabilization motors. When you track a target through its electronic interface, the internal robotic frame moves independent of your hands. If your body is shaking from physical exhaustion, or if you're taking a shot from an unstable helicopter door, the internal AI continuously calculates the error and drives the stabilization motors to re-aim the gun frame in milliseconds. Number 2. The VECTRONIX STERNA. In a heavy high-tech war zone, you face two massive problems when trying to map an area accurately: enemy GPS jamming and magnetic interference from heavy armored vehicles, steel bunkers, or concrete floors. If your digital compass gets thrown off by a tank sitting next to you, your entire target map is completely ruined. To solve this, the engineering team at VECTRONIX built the STERNA True North Finder. This is a highly ruggedized, portable targeting gadget built exclusively for forward artillery units and special operations forces. Instead of relying on vulnerable satellites or traditional magnetic needles, the STERNA utilizes an internal, hyper-advanced hemispheric resonating gyroscope. When you drop this gadget onto its combat tripod in a pitch-black, heavily jammed environment, the internal gyro reads the actual rotation of the Earth to determine absolute true north within milliseconds, completely ignoring any surrounding metal or electronic warfare jamming. Number 1. DroneShield DroneGun Tactical. The DroneShield DroneGun Tactical is a handheld counter-drone system created to safely disable unauthorized drones without physically damaging them. Shaped like a futuristic rifle, the device uses directional radio frequency interference to block communication between a drone and its operator. It targets common drone control bands, including GPS, 2.4 GHz, and 5.8 GHz frequencies, with an effective range that can exceed 1 kilometer depending on conditions. Once the signal is interrupted, most commercial drones automatically activate built-in safety features, forcing them to either land immediately, hover in place, or return to their original takeoff location. The system is lightweight, portable, and designed for military, law enforcement, airport security, and critical infrastructure protection. Unlike traditional anti-drone weapons, it neutralizes aerial threats electronically, making it a non-destructive solution for preventing surveillance, smuggling, or unauthorized airspace intrusion.